video is for you if you're a beginner and do not have any digital skill at all, and you want to learn a skill that can make you some good money in this year 2026 in a couple of weeks. Then you should watch this video till the end. Take this from someone that learned one of these skills in the half of 2025 and currently has a lot of clients and earns some good amount of money. If you learn any of this skill and do what I'll be teaching the subsequent videos and you do not make money in 2026, then I do not know what to work for you. So welcome to my channel. My name is Love, and I teach you AI tools, how to make money. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're a current subscriber, thank you so much. On this channel, I'll be teaching you digital skills that are beginner friendly, AI tools, sales and marketing, and just how to make money for those who are starting out on the digital space. So the first skill on our list is social media management, or SMM for short. If you want to learn to become a social media management, there are a lot of free and paid courses that you can actually take. The second skill on my list is copywriting. So copywriting is the art of using written pieces or articles to either entertain, educate, or make a sale. The third skill on my list is email marketing, and this email marketing is a niche that is not so saturated currently, so you can actually learn this skill and it's not so technical. Email marketers are those who help brands to reach out and communicate with their clients and customers via email. The fourth skill on my list is ads management. So this is one of the core skills I learned last year. So if you want to learn how to run social media ads, you can reach out to me. So who is an ads manager? An ads manager is basically someone that helps brands, helps customers to run ads, sponsored ads on social media. And this is a not so saturated niche currently, so you can actually hop in. And the last but not the least is content creation. Content creation is very large, so you can choose what aspect of content creation you want to go into. It can be UGC content creator, you can do videos for brands, you can be a voiceover artist, just anything that helps clients put their videos out there and you get paid handsomely for it. Which of the skills do you think you can be able to pick up in the next couple of weeks so that you can begin to earn in 2026? If you learn any of these skills and you put them into practice, watch out for my next video, because I'm going to be teaching you the steps I took to be able to get clients even though I was a beginner. Kindly like this, subscribe, and drop a comment for me asking me what digital skill you want to learn or what you want me to talk about in my next video. See you in the next video. Kindly subscribe so that you'll be notified of teaching you how you can get your first client as a beginner with your digital skills.